How to create my gallery.
Log into the school Excel app. Click on My Gallery. Tap Create Gallery. Select Class and Section. To send to the whole class, leave Select Students blank. To send to multiple students, select them from the list. To send to one student, select only that student. Click Upload Photo/Video and choose All Files. Add a description, optional. Click Upload. Go to My Gallery, select Class, Section, and Student. Click Filter. Log into Student account to view the uploaded gallery. Open My Gallery to see photos/videos.
Thank you.